A lot of you have been asking, as a professional paper craft artist, do I recommend getting a cutting mat? Well, in this video I'm going to tell you what I think, but I'm also going to tell you if you even need one, because these can get pricey. Welcome to another exciting episode of Not Sponsored, but it should be, where I share my honest opinion about crafty products that I use every day. Whenever I'm using a knife to cut paper, I do like using cutting mats to protect the surface of my table or workspace. But you could do that with a stack of cardboard or a scrap of wood. But a mat really provides a consistent and uniform surface that enables precise cutting and gives the cleanest edge possible when you're cutting things out. Now, as I cut into the mat, you can see how it self-heals, meaning it closes up the cut a little bit, leaving very little damage behind. And with good quality mats, it's like magic. This unique feature allows me to use a cutting mat for years and years. But even more important than that is the uniform cutting surface reduces the chances that my blade will get caught in an imperfection or a groove, which can affect the direction of my cut and make crafting more frustrating instead of fun. The one I'm using now is a Fiskers mat, and the actual outer dimension is a 13 by 19, but it has all these guidelines on it to help you measure things or calculate angles. This inner dimension here marked off is a 12 by 18 inch work area. Now, they do make a bigger mat, but I like this one because it's the perfect size for papercraft work. It's large enough to fit a standard letter size sheet of paper, but it's small enough for me to fit this on any table or workspace. And it has a light gray side and a dark gray side, so I can choose the perfect contrast for me to see the fine details of all my papercraft designs as I'm cutting them out. Also, with it being two-sided like this, it's really like getting two mats for the price of one, and that's a nice bonus. But what if you aren't comfortable cutting things out with a knife and you'd rather use scissors? Well, then you'll definitely want to watch this video where I talk about which brand of scissors I like best.